Hey guys, it's Jessica from jessica.chalkcouture.com, and today I'm making a super lightning quick project. I found these cute little hearts in the Target dollar spot, and I thought they would look super cute if I made one for Bubba and one for the hubby to give with their little Valentine's gifts. So I already have used these. I've already notated the word back on the back of the transfer carrier sheet since they are reusable over and over again. I am using our Magenta Chalk Paste, which I already previously stirred up before I went live because I forgot. I apologize. But what I just did was I chalked the candy hearts. There's 6 different hearts. I just picked one and chalked it, and then right now I am using the cut apart heart. Once again, using magenta, just covering the silk screen area. I don't need to do the entire transfer. Wiping my excess off, putting it back into my Magenta Chalk Paste container. It's a 2-ounce container. A little goes a long way. Hitting it with some heat. That way I can go ahead and grab my white chalk paste and layer the love over that magenta heart. It's gonna look so cute. Just wait till you see it at the end. Just used a little bit of white chalk paste. Little goes a long way. Wiped the excess back in, peeled it off, and there it is. Isn't it adorable? Oh my gosh, I love it. You can check out my store below. Thanks, bye.